else in Austin can you see a real live bobcat? Turn yourself into a human sundial to find out what time it is and learn about the prehistoric creatures that roamed around central Texas during the Cretaceous period. The Austin Nature and Science Center is a hidden gem seated on 15 acres in the heart of Zilker Park. Opened in 1988 at its current location, next to the Zilker Botanical Gardens, the Austin Nature and Science Center is open 7 days a week and is free to the public. Located just off Mopac on Stratford Drive, with plenty of free parking, the center makes a great destination for a day trip, whether you are coming from your driveway in Go Valley or from Pearl Street in Goliad. Guests are invited to come learn about the natural world through hands-on activities. Come explore paleontology at the Dino Pit by digging for fossil replicas of the prehistoric creatures of Central Texas. Enjoy a stroll around the pond or dip your toes in the stream while observing the wildlife who live in and around the water. Learn about animals native to Central Texas by visiting the wildlife exhibits, the Animal Aisle, Small Wonders, and the Birds of Prey. Relish the shade of gorgeous native trees while you walk along the tree trail. Hop on over to the trade counter to swap a natural item you found for points to use to earn a treasure from the Naturalist Workshop. The Austin Nature and Science Center offers a wide variety of programs for people of all ages. Whether you want to participate in winter break camp or want to go spelunking at a local cave, we have a program for you. Stop by the Visitor Pavilion to learn more about pre-registered programs, such as school field trips, homeschool science club, Kids Day Off camps, Nature's Way Preschool, housed in the historic Homestead Ashford-McGill Trail House, summer camps, birthday parties, and adventure experiences. Add the Austin Nature and Science Center to your bucket list and come on by. And as we like to say at the Science Center, see you at the sundial.